Hello, my lovely foodie members. Welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you this simple roasted peanut recipe in two different ways, which you're going to love it very well. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Now let's get right into the video. Alright, so since we're going to make some roasted peanut, obviously we're going to need a peanut or granules. So I've washed it very nicely, and I'm also going to remove any unwanted particles, just as you're seeing on your screens right now, from it, because it is not needed in this recipe at all. Because after roasting this peanut, we really want to enjoy it very well, so make sure to remove any unwanted particles from it. So whilst that is done, I'll transfer all the peanuts into a clean bowl, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And after that, I'm going to pour some hot water on it. We have two different ways of doing this thing, so you can pour hot water on it just the way I am doing it, or you can put your peanuts on fire and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and when it starts to cook, you just have to turn off your flame and allow it to rest. So next, I'm going to add in some salt. Make sure to add in enough salt for the peanut to taste really good. Stir everything together, cover it, and allow the peanut to sit in the hot water for about 15 minutes to 30 minutes. So whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, babe? Please do well to subscribe, turn on that bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after extra 30 minutes, the peanut is ready, and as you can see, it has really changed in color very well, and that is what I'll be going for. Alright, so next I'm going to be straining my peanut from the water, and I'm going to place it on my tray to dry in the sun for about 1 hour, depending on your temperature. Okay, so I was very lucky enough to really have a very high temperature, so it really helped me very well. So now let's dry our peanut until it is completely dry. Okay, so after extra 1 hour of drying it, this is how it looks like. It's looking all dried and perfect. So as I said from the title, I'm going to be making this in two different ways and very quick as well. So I'm going to be baking this one in my oven for about 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes approximately, okay? And the second method, I am going to be roasting it in my gari on my stove top, as you can see. So I'll start by pouring some gari into my cooking pot. Make sure the gari covers the cooking pot or the bottom of the cooking pot as you see on your screens, okay? So I'm also roasting the gari before I add in the peanut, because I really want a very quick and very easy roasted peanut. So roasting the gari before you add to it really makes the peanut roast very fast, okay? And I'm going to be roasting this on low medium heat because I really want to achieve the perfect results. And to see if your peanut is ready, I'm going to be testing one of it for you to see. And this is just about 1 minute of roasting it, so it's not ready. As you can see, it was very difficult for me to peel the peanuts. And this is because I still have some moist in the granules. So to see if it is ready as well, the gari is going to change from white to a dark brown color or a brownish color, or sometimes it can even turn to black, depending on how you want your granite to be, okay? So now let's roast the granite until it is nice and ready. Alright, so we are back to check on our roasted peanut on stovetop, and trust me, this came out so good. And as you can see, the skin was very easy to remove, and that indicates that it is ready. So I'm going to remove everything from the gari, and just look at how beautiful this peanut or roasted peanut turned out. It came out so good, and trust me, homemade is always the best. And also see how the oven one turned out as well. It turned out so good, and trust me, if you are to ask me which one do I prefer or which one do I like best, I'll choose the oven one because it is stress free and the outcome was just lovely as well. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this too easy roasted peanuts recipe with you all. I hope you're going to try it and you are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoy it to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Please do want to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.